Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. I wanted to show you a Hobby Lobby mega haul. My wife come down the other day and she says to me, "Hey, we need to get over to Hobby Lobby." And I says, "Why is that?" And she says, "They're having a clearance sale." And I says, "You mean the 40% off sale?" She goes, "Yeah, but also they're putting some kits on clearance." And I was like, "Okay." So we went in and I ended up with 9 kits and 4 cans of some different colored paints that were also on sale, on clearance. So if you guys have a Hobby Lobby near you, it'd be a great idea to go out and check and see and look for these orange tags. As you see here, they were regular $30, and this one here was $7.74. Yep, $7.74 for the 67 Camaro. I picked up 2 of them. I did leave some on the shelf for other modelers. I've been wanting this one for a while, and I guess this was the time to do it. I picked up the Bronco here. A couple of these. And this big truck here was $11.49, guys. You can't beat that deal. So thank you, Hobby Lobby. That was a great opportunity. Pick up the old Buick there. And 66 Malibu SS. What a great haul. So, like I said, thank you, Hobby Lobby. If you guys got one near you, go and check it out. You never know what kind of deal you're going to run into there. This is definitely going to give me a few kits to do, a few videos for you guys. I'll be doing unboxing soon, and the builds as they fall into place. So alrighty, I thank you all for watching. It's just a quick one. I guess it's a What Did You Buy Wednesday, but it was actually Wednesday. Today is still Wednesday when I'm recording this. I just got home from the store about an hour ago. So it's still Wednesday, and that was the result of my wife telling me we need to go to Hobby Lobby. So that was nice. Alrighty, folks. Appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.